Hello everyone, welcome back to Connie's cooking channel. You know I have my brother still in the kitchen cooking. So without further ado, let's get this party started. What we cooking today, brother?
All right, this morning we're gonna have us some pancake burritos. We're gonna start it off with 2 cups of mix, pancake mix. And we're gonna have 2 cups of water. Because we wanna make this thin. Keep in mind we're making our own burrito.
Let me know in the comments if you ever had a pancake burrito before.
This looks perfect right here. That looks like what we're looking for. All right. Okay, everybody. We're gonna keep checking our edges. Make sure you don't go in too deep. That's what we want. We want to get a slide out of it. Now we can flip it. In there. Pow! That's exactly what you want to look for, that golden pancake, folks.
Yeah, go ahead and leave your questions and comments below. We will address them within 24 hours.
Folks, as you can see, look like that steam dissipated pretty well. We're going to check out the other side. And if the other side looking good, we'll plate it. Oh, yeah. Got some good toast there. It's nice and dry here. And we're going to sit down on the plate. Just like that, folks. Okay, folks, now we got our pancake done. We're going to start our egg here. I'm gonna do the same little pour. Nice little square, controlled pour. It looks like a lot of egg. That's just 2 eggs. A little bit of salt and pepper, knock yourself out. Got this bad boy ready to flip. We're gonna flip him. We're gonna start adding something nice and basic. A couple layers of cheese here. Put a couple layers of bacon in there. We're gonna add our sausage in there. Of course, these have been pre-cooked already, to save you some time. Well, that's the way I like to do it, so you can dress it up any kind of way you like. At this point, of course, you start making your burrito. This is the fun part, folks, right? Get that bad boy rolled up there.
Oh my goodness, y'all.
Yes, indeedy.
Oh my goodness, y'all.
We got this plated. I put it in the microwave for about 45 seconds. Get everything melted and heated up. And of course, I call it a burrito because with a burrito, you're supposed to pick it up and eat it. That's the reason why I dress it on the inside with the syrup, so the outside of it won't be sticky if you want to pick it up and eat it. But I also like to add on some drizzle of syrup on the outside there. This is for people who like to keep it on a plate. Let's cut this bad boy open and see what we got.
Can I get a bite?
So what do you think, folks? How you like that? That looks pretty good. Let's enjoy.